Good morning, students. This video session is for class 2nd students, subject Mathematics, term 3, chapter number 1, and the name of the chapter is Measurement, and this is our lecture number 9. Today's topics are word problem sums of capacity and worksheet based on complete chapter. Okay, so beta, first of all, we will do word problem sums given on page number 13 of your book. Solve the following. Question number 1. Rama bought 125 liters of blue paint and 90 liters of red paint. How much liters paint did he buy in all? So here beta, what do you mean by this question? That Rama bought means Rama ने खरीदा 125 liters of blue paint. Blue paint लिया उसने 125 liters and 90 liters of red paint और red color का paint उसने लिया 90 liters. So how much liters paint did he buy in all? तो उसने दोनों मिलाकर जो है कितने लीटर पेंट परचेज किया. ओके, so here we will do its solution. First of all, we will write 125 liters and after that we will write 90 liters. Here 90 is two digit number, that's why we will write it like this 090. Okay, so here beta, we have to find out the total. So to find out the total, we need to add both the numbers. So we will put here plus sign. Now we have to start from our right hand side. So here 5 plus 0, that is equal to 5. And 2 plus 9. So keep 2 in your mind and open your 9 fingers. So let's start forward counting. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here 11 is two digit answer. That's why we will write 1 here and 1 will be carryover. Okay. Now we have to add these two numbers. 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2, and 2 plus 0, that is also equal to 2. So here we will write 2. Okay. Now we have to write the unit and here the unit is liters. Okay, so how we can write its answer? That is, he bought 215 liters paint in all. Okay, now question number 2. Raju put 19 liters of petrol in his car on Sunday and 25 liters on Monday. How much petrol was used in 2 days? तो यहाँ पे बेटा राजू ने 19 लीटर पेट्रोल लिया है, अपने कार में भरवाया उसने संडे को, ठीक है, और 25 लीटर जो था उसने वो मंडे को भरवाया उसमें, ठीक है. सो हाउ मच पेट्रोल वाज यूज्ड इन 2 डेज? तो संडे और मंडे दोनों दिन में उसने कितना पेट्रोल यूज किया, ठीक है. सो to find out the total, we need to add both the numbers. So first of all, we will write 19 liters and then we will write 25 liters. Now we will put plus signs. So we have to start from our right hand side. So keep 9 in your mind and 5 on your fingers. Let's start forward counting. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So here 14 is two digit answer. That's why we will write 4 here and 1 will be carryover. Now we have to add these three numbers. 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2, and 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. So what is the answer? 44. And now we have to write unit also, and that is liters. Okay, so how we can write answer? That is, he used 44 liters petrol in 2 days. उसने 2 दिन में कितना पेट्रोल यूज किया बेटा? 44 liters. Now question number 3. A can had 52 liters of milk, ठीक है. Out of this 28 liters were sold. Okay, how much was left? Now बेटा एक कैन के अंदर 52 लीटर्स मिल्क था, उसमें से 28 लीटर्स जो मिल्क था वो सेल हो गया. Now we have to find out that how much liters milk was left in that can. Okay, so here we need to subtract both the numbers. So first of all, we will write 52 liters and then we will write 28 liters. Now we have to put minus sign here. So let's start from our right hand side. So 2 minus 8, that is not possible. So here we will take borrow and this 2 will become 2 plus 10, 12. And this 5 will become 5 minus 1, 4. Now keep 12 in your mind and 8 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting because we are subtracting the numbers. So let's start. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So here we will write 4. Now 4 minus 2 and that is equal to 2. So now we have to write here the unit and that is liters. Okay, so what is the answer? That is 24-liter milk was left. Okay, now question number 4. A bottle has 250 milliliter of coconut oil. Out of this, 105 milliliter was used. How much was left in the bottle? ठीक है, एक बॉटल में बेटा 250 मिलीलीटर कोकोनट ऑयल है, उसमें से 105 मिलीलीटर जो है वो यूज हो गया था. नाउ हाउ मच वाज लेफ्ट इन दी बॉटल, तो कितना कोकोनट ऑयल जो था वो बॉटल में रह गया. सो फॉर दैट टू फाइंड आउट द लेफ्ट ओवर पार्ट we need to subtract both the numbers. So here we will do its solution. So first of all we will write here 250 milliliters. Okay, and after that we will write 105 milliliters. And now we have to put the sign of subtraction here. Okay, so let's start from our right hand side. So 0 minus 5, that is not possible. So here we will cut this 0 and we will make it 10 because 0 plus 10 is equal to 10. And here this 5 will become 5 minus 1, 4. Now keep 10 in your mind and 5 on your fingers. So let's start backward counting. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So here we will write 5. Now 4 minus 0. So when we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number and that is 4 here. Now 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. Now we have to write the unit and that is milliliter here. Okay, ml. We will write here ml. Now how we can write its answer, that is 145 milliliter oil was left in the bottle. Understood beta? Now we will do worksheet given on page number 20 of your book. So here, which is more suitable unit, meter or centimeter, to measure these? We have given two units, meter or centimeters. So beta, first of all I am going to tell you that where we can use meters or centimeters to find out the length of a particular object. Okay, so let's see what is given to us. So here the first one is in A part, the length of a car. So beta, to find out the length of a car we can use meters, है ना, क्योंकि जो हमारी लेंथ होती है कार की वो हमारे आर्म स्पैन से बड़ी होती है. और मैम ने आपको बताया था कि जो आपका आर्म स्पैन है, अगर कोई लेंथ उससे लंबी है, उससे बड़ी है, तो उसे हम मीटर्स में फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो हियर वी विल राइट मीटर. ओके, नाउ इन बी पार्ट, द लेंथ ऑफ अ कॉम. लेंथ ऑफ अ कॉम, कॉम मीन्स कंघी जो हम अपने हेयर में करते हैं. ओके, सो to find out the length of a comb, so here which is the suitable unit, that is centimeters. We can measure it in centimeters. Okay, so we will write cm for that. Now in C part, the length of a wall. So wall बेटा बहुत बड़ी होती है, लंबी होती है, तो wall means दीवार. ठीक है, तो to find out the length of a wall we can measure it in meters. Okay, now in D part, the length of a toothbrush. So toothbrush जो है बेटा वो हमारे हैंड स्पैन से ही हम मेजर कर सकते हैं. तो जो चीज हम अपने हैंड स्पैन से मेजर कर सकते हैं, तो दैट इज वी कैन मेजर इट इन सेंटीमीटर. सो हियर वी विल राइट cm. Understood? Now which is more suitable unit, liter or milliliter, to measure these? Now in second question beta, we have to find out the most suitable unit of liter or milliliter. So here liters or milliliters we use to find out the capacity of any container or vessel. ठीक है? So let's see what is given to us. In A5, petrol. So beta petrol, how we can measure? So petrol can be measured in liters. So here we will write L for that. Okay. Now in B part, milk. So milk beta, milk can be measured in liters or milliliters both. ओके अगर ग्लास में मिल्क है तो हम उसे मिलीलीटर्स में मेजर कर सकते हैं इजीली, है ना। और अगर हम मार्केट से लेकर आए हैं मिल्क तो हम उसको लीटर्स में भी मेजर कर सकते हैं और मिलीलीटर्स में भी मेजर कर सकते हैं. सो हाउ वी कैन राइट हियर लीटर और मिलीलीटर्स. नाउ इन सी पार्ट कफ सिरप. कफ सिरप मतलब कफ मीन्स खांसी होता है बेटा और सिरप जो है वो दवाई होती है. तो खांसी की जो दवाई है वो हम किस में मेजर कर सकते हैं मिलीलीटर्स में. कोई भी मेडिसिन अगर लिक्विड फॉर्म में है तो हम उसे मिलीलीटर में मेजर करते हैं. ओके नाउ इन डी पार्ट कुकिंग ऑयल. सो बेटा कुकिंग ऑयल वी कैन मेजर इट इन बोथ लीटर्स और मिलीलीटर्स. ओके नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Circle the correct unit to measure these. Now here it is given the milk bottle. Okay, now we have options here: centimeter, milliliter or grams. Now we have to find out the correct unit to measure this. Okay, so you can see that beta there is a milk bottle and here we can find out the capacity of this milk bottle. So the capacity of milk bottle can be measured in milliliters because it is small. Okay, so that's why we can measure the capacity of this milk bottle in milliliters. So we will circle milliliter. Okay, and we will write here ml. B part. Here is a basket. Okay, and there are some apples here. Now we have to find out how we can measure it in kilograms, liters or meters. So beta you can see that we can measure it in kilograms because these apples are solid और जो solid things होती हैं उन्हें हम किलोग्राम में measure करते हैं. Okay, and liter जो है वो liquid things के लिए use होता है and meter जो है that is for used for length. So here kilogram is the correct unit to measure this. So we will circle kilogram. So we will write here answer kg. C part. Here we have a snake. है ना, यहाँ पे हमें एक snake दिया हुआ है. Okay, now we have to find out the correct unit to measure it. Meters, kilograms और liters. So बेटा snake जो है इसकी हम length measure कर सकते हैं. Okay, so length को measure करने के लिए which unit we can use? That is meters. So we will circle meters. Understood beta? Here we will write answer m. M for meters. Now in question number in D part, here is an envelope. Okay, and we have three options: grams, liters or centimeters. Now we have to circle the correct unit. So first unit is given here grams. Okay, so beta if we want to find out the weight of this envelope then we can find out with the help of gram. So we will circle gram. Okay, and liter we cannot use because liters is used for measuring liquid things and we cannot put liquid things in an envelope. Okay, so leave this one. Now here centimeter is given. Beta to find out the length of this envelope, okay, we can use it in centimeter. ठीक है, अगर हम इसकी लेंथ को मेजर करना चाहते हैं तो हम सेंटीमीटर की यूनिट को यूज करेंगे. So that's why we will circle this also. And if we want to find out the weight of this envelope, so gram will be used. Okay, that's why we will write to answer grams or centimeter. It depends that what we have to find out, length or weight of this envelope. Okay, if we want to find out the weight of this envelope, we will use gram, and if we want to find out the length of this envelope, then we will use centimeters. Okay. Now in E part, here is a bucket, okay, and now we have to find out the capacity of this bucket, okay, and we have three options: gram, liters or centimeters. So to find out the capacity of this bucket, we will use liters, okay, so we will circle this. Now we will write its answer L for liters. Now in F part, there is a boy, okay, and here we have options kilogram, liter or meter. So beta here we want to find out its weight, है ना, ये boy है और boy का हम क्या find out कर सकते हैं, weight find out कर सकते हैं. So to find out the weight of this boy, we will use kilogram unit, kg, okay. So we will circle this kg, okay, and here we will write answer kg. Now question number 4, add. So here in A part it is given meters and centimeters, okay. Now we have to add 21 meters 25 centimeters and 61 meters 75 centimeters. Now here plus sign is given, okay. Now we will start from our right hand side, and always we have to solve smaller unit first of all. So here 5 plus 5, that is equal to 10, and 10 is 2-digit answer, that's why we will write 0 here and 1 will be carryover. Now 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. Now keep 3 in your mind and open 7 fingers. So let's start forward counting: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So again 10 is 2-digit answer, that's why we will write 0 here and 1 will be carry over in meters. ठीक है, सेंटीमीटर का जो कैरी है वो मीटर्स में जाता है बेटा. So here 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. So here we will write 3. Now 2 plus 6. So keep 2 in your mind and 6 on your fingers. Now start forward counting: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we will write 8. So what is the answer? That is 83 meters, because here in centimeters 0 0 is there, okay. So we can speak it like this: 83 meters. Now in B part, kilometer and meter is given, okay. 5 kilometers 300 meters and 7 kilometers 850 meters. Now we have to add both the numbers. So here we will start from our right hand side. 0 plus 0, that is equal to 0, and 0 plus 5, we will get the same number, that is 5 here. So we'll write 5. 3 plus 8, so keep 3 in your mind and 8 on your fingers. Now we have to speak forward counting: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here 11 is 2-digit answer, that's why we will write 1 here and 1 will be carry over in kilometers. ठीक है, मीटर का carry over कहाँ पे जाएगा? किलोमीटर्स में. Now here 5 plus 1 6. So keep 6 in your mind and 7 on your fingers. Let's start forward counting: 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here we will write 13. हम यहाँ पे अब 13 पूरा लिख देंगे बेटा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमारे पास कैरी करने के लिए यहाँ पे कोई भी डिजिट्स नहीं है, okay. That's why we will write here 13. So what is the answer? 13 kilometers 150 meters, okay. Now C and D part you have to do in your homework. Now we will do question number 5, subtract, okay. So now we will do part C here. A and B part you have to solve in your homework, okay. In C part it is given kilograms and grams. 6 kilograms 700 grams and 2 kilograms 867 grams. So here we have to put the sign of subtraction here. So again we have to start from our right hand side. So 0 minus 7, that is not possible. So here beta this 0 will take borrow from the left hand side digit, and here the left hand digit is 0. So who will take borrow first of all? This 0 will take borrow first of all. ठीक है, सबसे पहले ये वाला 0 जो बीच वाला 0 है ये हमारा बोरो लेगा और फिर वो बोरो देगा, ठीक है. So this 0 will become 10 here and this 7 will become 6. Okay. Now we will take borrow for this 0. Okay. Now we will cut this and make it 10. And इस 10 ने इस 0 ने कहाँ से borrow लिया? इस 10 से बेटा. So we will cut this 10 and make it 9. Okay. Now we have to solve. So keep 10 in your mind and 7 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So here we will write 3. Now 9 minus 6. So keep 9 in your mind and 6 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So here we will write 3. Now 6 minus 8. That is not possible. So this 6 will take borrow from this 6. ठीक है. ग्राम्स जो है वो बोरो किससे लेता है? जब ग्राम्स के पास बोरो नहीं रहता तो ये किलोग्राम से बोरो लेता है. तो this 6 will become 16. 6 plus 10 and this 6 will become 6 minus 1 5. Now keep 16 in your mind and 8 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So here we will write 8. Now 5 minus 2 and that is equal to 3. So what is the answer? That is 3 kilograms 833 grams. Okay. Now in D part it is given liters and milliliters. Now we have to subtract the numbers and that are 5 liters 320 milliliters and 2 liters 537 milliliters. Now we will put here minus sign. So let's start from our right hand side. 0 minus 7 and that is not possible. So here we will take borrow and this 0 will become 0 plus 10 10 and this 2 will become 2 minus 1 1. Now keep 10 in your mind and 7 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So here we will write 3. Now 1 minus 3, that is again not possible. So here we will cut this 1 and make it 11. 1 plus 10. And this 3 will become 3 minus 1, 2. Now keep 11 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 10, 9, 8. So here we will write 8. Now 2 minus 5, that is again not possible. So here this 2 will take borrow from 5. Okay. So this 2 will become 2 plus 10, 12 and this 5 will become 5 minus 1, 4. Now keep 12 in your mind and 5 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So here we will write 7. Now 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. So what is the answer? That is 2 liters 783 milliliters. Now beta, today's homework. Do question number 4 at parts C and D. Okay, and question number 5 subtract parts A and B of worksheet given on page number 20 of your book. Okay, and you have to do this work in your book only. आपको ये काम अपनी book में ही करना है. Okay बेटा. Now beta, I am going to show you homework sums of page number 20 which you have to solve in the book. Okay. So here question number 4, addition. Add. C part, kilograms and grams are given. 7 kilograms 200 grams and 2 kilograms 458 grams. You have to add both the numbers. And in D part, liters and milliliters are given. 6 liters 780 milliliters and 2 liters 119 milliliters. You have to add both the numbers. Now question number 5, subtract. Here you have to do A and B part. So here in A part, meters and centimeters are given. 25 meters 28 centimeters and 11 meters 45 centimeters. You have to subtract. Okay. Now in B part, kilometers and meters are given. 4 kilometers 200 meters and 3 kilometers 800 meters. So you have to solve these sums in your book. Okay, beta? Yes, beta. Now we will discuss homework solution of lecture number 8. I had given you sums of addition and subtraction. So let's start. Question number 1 at page number 18. G part. Liters and milliliters are given. 43 liters 311 milliliters and 38 liters 258 milliliters. Now we have to add both the numbers. So let's start from our right hand side. So here 1 plus 8 and that is equal to 9. So here we'll write 9. Okay, and 1 plus 5, we will get the next number of 5 and that is 6 here. 3 plus 2, so keep 3 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. Now we have to speak forward counting. 4, 5, so here we will write 5. Now 3 plus 8, so keep 3 in your mind and 8 on your fingers. Now we have to speak forward counting. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here 11 is 2-digit answer. That's why we will write 1 here and 1 will be carryover. Now 1 plus 4, 5. And keep 5 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. Now we have to speak forward counting. 6, 7, 8. So here we will write 8. So what is the answer? That is 81 liters, 569 milliliters. Now in H part, we have given again liters and milliliters. 65 liters 284 milliliters and 33 liters 796 milliliters. Now we have to add both the numbers. So let's start from our right hand side. 4 plus 6. So keep 4 in your mind and 6 on your fingers. Now we have to speak forward counting. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here 10 is 2-digit answer. That's why we will write here 0 and 1 will be carryover. Okay, now 8 plus 1, 9. And now keep 9 in your mind and 9 on your fingers. Okay, now we have to speak forward counting. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So here 18 is also 2-digit answer. That's why we will write 8 here and 1 will be carryover. Now 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. Now keep 3 in your mind and 7 on your fingers. Now we have to speak forward counting. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here 10 is 2-digit answer. That's why we will write 0 here and 1 will be carry over in liters. Okay. Now 1 plus 5, 6. So keep 6 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. Now we have to speak forward counting. 7, 8, 9. So here we will write 9. Now 6 plus 3. Keep 6 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. Again, we will find 9 here. So we will write 9. So what is the answer? That is 99 liters, 80 milliliters. Okay. Now, question number 2, subtract page number 18, G part. Liters and milliliters are given. 56 liters, 325 milliliters and 52 liters, 523 milliliters. Now we have to subtract. So let's start from our right hand side. 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. 3 minus 5, that is not possible because 3 is smaller number than 5. So to make it bigger number, we will take borrow from liters. Okay. So 3 plus 10, that is equal to 13 here. And the 6 will become 6 minus 1, 5. Now keep 13 in your mind and 5 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So here we will write 8. Now 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. And 5 minus 5, 0. So what is the answer? That is 3 liters, 802 milliliters. In H part. Here again liters and milliliters are given. 77 liters 111 milliliters and 33 liters 222 milliliters. Now we have to subtract both the numbers. So let's start from our right hand side. 1 minus 2, that is not possible. So this 1 will take borrow from this one. Okay, and we will cut this 1 and make it 11 because 1 plus 10, 11, and this 1 will become 1 minus 1, 0. Now keep 11 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 10, 9. So here we will write 9. Okay, now 0 minus 2. That is not possible. So this 0 will take borrow from this 1 and it will become 0 plus 10, 10. And this 1 will become 0 here. Now keep 10 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 9, 8. So here we will write 8. Now 0 minus 2, again 0 minus 2 is not possible. So this 0 will take borrow from this 7. Okay, so we will cut 0 and make it 10. And this 7 will become 6 here. Okay, now keep 10 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. That is 9, 8. So here we will write 8. Now 6 minus 3. So keep 6 in your mind, 3 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 5, 4, 3. So here we will write 3. 7 minus 3. So keep 7 in your mind, 3 on your fingers. 6, 5, 4. So here we will write 4. So what is the answer? That is 43 liters, 889 milliliters. Understood, beta? Thank you.